Okay, I would like to show how to cover this stove with this copper foil. It's easy and simple. I mean, like, well, we were doing without this. See, all the mess happened. So I want to get rid of this mess so that we can just clean it. So I bought two foils just like this. So I'll show you how do I do that. Just get rid of this, close it and cover it. Make sure it is stick to everything. Okay. Okay. Then take the other one. Make sure it is even. Okay. You can make sure you wrap it here in the same way. Just hold it like this and make sure everything is folded properly. Okay, so this is how it is. What you're gonna do is make sure you cut this in a circle. Cut it in circle. Don't throw it, keep it aside. I'll tell you what to do with that. So in the same way, cut it into circle. Simple. It's a 5 minute, just a 5 minutes. No, you don't need to clean your stove every day often or with the spills, or keep it aside. The same thing for this bottom little one. Cut it. Make a circle. You can use anything, a small knife or a blade or a scissors. I'm doing it very fast to make this video very short. So keep it aside and go for this big one too. If you want a even circle, take time and put it slow so that you'll get an even thing. Okay, boom, I kept it. So if you want this to be stick even, if you can spill water before you place it, it will stick more even. Boom, that's it. Keep this one, it will act as a support. Keep this one and keep the bigger one and keep this bigger one. And you see something missing, so keep this up. Okay, done. So you just before you place this foils, I would recommend whatever the one you use, right? You can the circles, you can place it here so that if something spills, see something spilled up, it became black. So if you keep this, it won't mess up in the bottom. So that's the reason I told you to not to throw it away. You can fold this a little, just you can place it. Do the same thing for this one. This has a big one, and just use it as small. Then fix your files. Well, let's do with this. Fix your files. Boom, done. Fix your files. Where is this? Don't see the. Yeah, I got it. Boom, done. Find the. I recommend just fold a little so that you won't have mess up. Push it. Set it. the same way I'm doing. What is this? Boom. So now if you look at this, you have a clean one. If anything messes up, you can just remove it and wrap it again. You have a good one. Thank you.